Think mindfulness is all about emptying your mind or sitting in silence for hours? Think again. What if everything you thought you knew about mindfulness was wrong? In this video, we are uncovering 5 shocking myths about mindfulness that you probably believe. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for improving mental and physical health, but it's often misunderstood. From misconceptions about its purpose to confusion over its practice, these myths can prevent you from experiencing its true benefits. Today, we will debunk the top 5 myths about mindfulness and reveal the truth behind them. Let's dive in. Myth number 1: mindfulness is about clearing your mind of all thoughts. Many people believe that mindfulness is about completely clearing your mind of all thoughts. They think it means achieving a state of complete mental silence. This is a common misconception. In reality, mindfulness is not about having a blank mind. It's about paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without getting attached to them. Think of your mind as a clear blue sky and your thoughts as clouds passing by. You don't have to chase them away. You just observe them as they move. Research by Dr. John Kabat-Zinn, a pioneer in mindfulness-based stress reduction, shows that mindfulness involves noticing thoughts as they come and go rather than trying to eliminate them. Imagine sitting by a river watching leaves float by. Your thoughts are like those leaves. You observe them without needing to pick them up or push them away. This practice helps reduce stress and increase emotional resilience. Have you ever tried to ignore a song stuck in your head only to find it gets louder? Trying to force thoughts away often makes them more persistent. Mindfulness teaches us to acknowledge these thoughts and let them pass naturally, which can actually make them less intrusive. So, mindfulness is about awareness and acceptance of thoughts, not about clearing your mind. It's about observing your mental landscape without judgment and letting thoughts pass by like clouds in the sky. Myth number 2: mindfulness is a religious practice. Some people believe that mindfulness is inherently a religious practice, specifically tied to Buddhism or other Eastern religions. They think you need to follow a particular spiritual path to practice mindfulness. While it's true that mindfulness has roots in Buddhist meditation practices, it has been adapted into a secular technique that anyone can practice, regardless of their religious or spiritual beliefs. In the modern context, mindfulness is often taught in a completely non-religious way, focusing on its mental and physical health benefits. For example, mindfulness-based stress reduction (MBSR) and mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, the MBCT, are widely used in medical and therapeutic settings across the world. These programs, developed by Dr. John Kabat-Zinn and others, strip away the religious elements and focus solely on mindfulness as a tool for improving mental health and well-being. Additionally, mindfulness is now commonly practiced in schools, workplaces, and even military training programs. It's about bringing attention to the present moment and can be practiced by anyone, anywhere. You don't need to subscribe to any religious beliefs to benefit from mindfulness. So, mindfulness is not a religious practice, it's a versatile secular technique that can be practiced by anyone regardless of their spiritual or religious background to enhance mental and physical well-being. Myth number 3: mindfulness is the same as meditation. Many people think that mindfulness and meditation are the same thing. They believe that practicing mindfulness always means sitting down for a formal meditation session. Even though mindfulness and meditation are related, they are not the same. Meditation is a formal practice where you set aside time to focus on a particular object, thought, or activity. It's a way to cultivate mindfulness. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is a broader concept. It's the practice of being present and fully engaged with whatever you are doing at the moment. You can practice mindfulness while eating, walking, working, or even during conversations. It's about bringing your full attention to the present moment, whatever the activity. For example, mindful eating involves paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking, both inside and outside the body. You notice the colors, smells, textures, and flavors of your food, as well as the thoughts and feelings you have about the food. This can help you enjoy your meal more and make healthier eating choices. Research supports the benefits of both meditation and everyday mindfulness practices. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that mindfulness meditation programs improved anxiety, depression, and pain. However, practicing mindfulness in everyday activities can also lead to significant improvements in overall well-being. So while meditation is one way to practice mindfulness, you can be mindful in any activity, bringing awareness and presence to whatever you are doing. Myth number 4, mindfulness takes a lot of time. Many people believe that practicing mindfulness requires a significant time commitment. They think you need to dedicate hours each day to mindfulness exercises to see any benefits. This is a common misconception. While longer mindfulness sessions can be beneficial, you don't need to spend hours each day to experience the positive effects of mindfulness. Even a few minutes of practice each day can make a significant difference. For example, a study published in the journal Mindfulness found that just 10 minutes of daily mindfulness practice can improve focus and reduce stress. You can integrate mindfulness into your daily routine without needing to set aside a large block of time. Simple practices like mindful breathing, where you take a few minutes to focus on your breath, or a brief body scan, where you bring awareness to different parts of your body, can be done anytime, anywhere. You can also practice mindfulness while doing everyday activities like brushing your teeth, drinking coffee, or walking to work. The key is consistency. Regular, short periods of mindfulness can be just as effective, if not more so, than occasional long sessions. It's about finding moments throughout your day to pause and bring your attention to the present. So, mindfulness doesn't require a lot of time. Even short, regular practices can provide significant benefits and fit easily into your daily routine. Myth number 5, mindfulness is always relaxing. Many people believe that mindfulness is always a relaxing experience. They think that practicing mindfulness will instantly make them feel calm and serene. While mindfulness can lead to relaxation, it's not always a serene experience. Mindfulness involves becoming aware of whatever is happening in the present moment, which can sometimes include difficult thoughts and emotions. It's about observing these experiences without judgment, not necessarily about feeling relaxed. For instance, during a mindfulness session, you might become aware of stress, anxiety, or discomfort. The goal is not to eliminate these feelings, but to acknowledge and accept them as they are. This process can be challenging, especially if you are facing intense emotions. And research supports this understanding. A study published in the journal Psychological Science found that mindfulness can help people manage negative emotions by increasing their awareness and acceptance of these feelings. This doesn't always translate to immediate relaxation, but it does contribute to long-term emotional resilience and mental health. Imagine sitting with a difficult emotion like anger or sadness. Mindfulness teaches you to observe it, understand it, and let it pass without getting caught up in it. Over time, this practice can reduce the overall intensity of negative emotions, leading to a more balanced and resilient emotional state. So, mindfulness isn't always relaxing. It's about being present with whatever arises, whether it's pleasant or unpleasant, and developing a deeper understanding and acceptance of your inner experiences. Today, we debunked 5 common myths about mindfulness. We learned that it's not about clearing your mind, it's not a religious practice, it is more than just meditation, it doesn't require a lot of time, and it's not always relaxing. Now that you know the truth, you are ready to start your mindfulness journey with the right understanding. But don't stop here. If you are ready to dive deeper into mindfulness and learn practical tips to start practicing today, check out our next video, Mindfulness for Beginners. We will guide you through simple steps to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine and help you enjoy its immense benefits. You can find it at the end screen or in the links in the description below. Thank you for spending your time with us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos. I love reading your comments and answering them, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts. Have you encountered these myths before, or do you know of any other myths about mindfulness? Share your thoughts and let's start a conversation. Make sure to watch our mindfulness playlist for more valuable insights and practices. You can find the link in the description or at the end screen. Remember, mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, stay curious, and enjoy the benefits of being present. See you in the next video. Much love.